Back and whatnot. But just so you know, here, because we're going to say borderline, because your phone is not actually tracked while GPS, so it can be while what
We are at the Hoover Dam.
And we have had the most boring and irritating trip of the entire, vacation. So we had a neighbor in the bus who were just coughing and putting their mask on, and some of them had their masks like this and coughing. We had another couple
No need to.
on the bus
Who stole our seat? Yes, done.
who thought they were very smart, and then we were kind of seated in the front, and like next time there was a museum where we went down, and they were like running back from the museum. We did not know why at that point, so they kind of stole our seat. They were sitting at
And
our,
they were very happy.
they were
But
very
they were seated next to the coughing couple.
so we were kind of like, okay, you got your karma.
We are at the end of our Hoover Dam trip.
The beginning is almost the end, and then
Short
we
trip,
have,
but we had a good look of the Hoover Dam.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we could not go inside the dam, that's closed. And we even could not go near the shore of the Lake Mead. Even that is closed. So
yeah,
everything is closed.
We just spent $55 per person for a boring ride.
A boring driver and some coughing.
And two of our friends, you see right there, who stole our seat. Now we will be seeing the Hoover Dam from here. So we are on the Arizona side. Last time we were vlogging, we were on the Nevada side. So let's see what we can see from here.
Very less, basically. Only roads.
Yeah, very less. So since we are on a commercial vehicle, they said they cannot stop there, but as you can see down there, most of the private vehicles can park right there and see the dam. And
Yeah,
it's
so if we had our own car, we could have stopped there, but
or a rented one which we
Yeah.
were driving.
unfortunate.
Hi everyone, so here we are at this is the entrance of the Red Rock Canyon. Probably will not go there, but yeah, it's the desert. It's very dry and cold. Kind of feel like it.
This is a Joshua tree. It stays, I mean, it lives for close to 10,000 years.
And it can survive without water for
So this is the desert area.
Yeah, and this desert is not like the ones that we have in Asian Africa. But yeah, it's a rocky and different desert. It's for our first time that we see a desert of this kind.
We are at the skiing point. Skiing is closed, but there is still some snow. Which tree is this?
This one here.
Yeah. So what is it called?
Juniper.
Juniper. Okay.
I guess.
Oh, you're saying this one looks dead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look weird, eh?
Yeah.
He looks dead, but he's alive. Look.
Yeah. We are at Mount Charleston.
It's almost the end of the
Almost
trip.
the end. Yeah, right. We had some good lunch.
And we had some bad luck, so we didn't get to see some snow. Yeah.
But the place is beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's
স্পিংসের সাথে দেখা করে আসি।
Has been created for those of you who have chosen to join the Avengers and protect our way of life by standing united in defense of our planet. You are about to enter our advanced scientific training facility where you will have unprecedented access. Let's see if you're up to the task. Oh, and Mr. Stark has asked that you don't break anything. Are you ready to go? You are now an official Avengers Station agent. This is a very elite group that we are assembling, and you are now an integral member. Always be ready.